we're doing about 50 miles an hour. So I wanted to show you what it sounds like when you downshift and get the exhaust open back up, doing speed, because this exhaust on this Roush really sounds amazing. Here we go. You know, another thing that a lot of people always wonder about is, you know, the performance from 0 to 60 from a standing stop. So decided I'd show you guys what that sounds like. So here we go. Yeah, the one thing about these Mustangs is that the V8 in these things are amazing. It's really smooth, great transmission with the 6-speed manual transmission. The Mustang does have an optional 10-speed automatic that Roush does use as well in the GT builds. But yeah, the 6-speed manual, great. Definitely gives you a lot of driver interaction with the car, what gear you want to be in. But then also with the 10-speed automatic that they also have as an option in the Ford Mustang GT, is a great option too, because you do have the premium models where you can go over and tell what mode you want to be in. They have the option to have the Sport Plus mode, which really goes through the gears and keeps the RPM in a higher range. But if you like to have the interaction with the manual transmission, you still have that available to you. I mean, the Mustang GT has a 460 horsepower V8. It's not a slouch. It's really an amazing car. But then you team it up with Roush, and you get the coilovers that are adjustable. You do have the 20-inch Quicksilver wheels wrapped in performance tires. You have a lot of aerodynamics with the front chin spoiler on the Stage 2s. Just an amazing looking car that really performs well. But then Roush even says, hey, if you want a Stage 2 that gives you like our performance suspension, but you want to take it to another level, they still have the Stage 3, which gives you a supercharger, which then takes that 460 horse and takes it all the way up to 710. That's just an amazing amount of horsepower out of a great motor, and it's a reliable motor. And then when they put that supercharger on there, Roush still gives you a warranty, which not many manufacturers of just the supercharger alone give you a 3-year warranty on them from the factory. Now, they do have options to go above the 710 horsepower, but then their warranties are limited. But this 2018 Roush Stage 2 has plenty of power, plenty of driver interaction with that 6-speed manual, a great clutch setup, and just an amazing ride. I mean, we're cruising right now at about just over 60 miles an hour, and it's really quiet in here. But when you want to get on it, you obviously get on it, and you've got the exhaust to back it up to really give you that aggressive sound. So appreciate you guys watching today. Hopefully I've given you some information about our Roush Stage 2, and it is definitely heavily discounted right now. We'd love to find a new home for it, and maybe that home might be with you. So give us a call here at Mangold Ford. Number is 800-468-0484. I'm Nick Allen. This is the Roush Stage 2, and it's looking for a home. Maybe it's yours. Thanks for watching.